Yo, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's tutorial we're going to talk on how to transfer Ethereum into Bond. So with that being said, let's get started. First of all, we're gonna open CoinMarketCap on your browser. So this is the landing page. Now you can press on the search menu and you write Bond. This is the token that we need. And yeah, when you open this page, there is a bunch of information that you might need, you might not need, but in our video we only need the contract. So we come here and we click on this icon right here. This is the icon that will make us copy the address. So when it shows up that it's copied, we are done with the first step. Now to the second step, we go to the uniswap.org and we click on launch app. Now we connect our wallet. Basically guys, they have multiple choices. You have MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic and Portis, but for our video we are going to use MetaMask. So for those who doesn't have one, you can just download it using this link, and you can click this button right here and download it on any browser you are currently using. Now with that being said, let's go back to our page and open the MetaMask. After connecting it, please make sure guys that you are on the Ethereum main network. After that, import tokens, custom tokens, and paste the address. Click on this button, import token, and now you can see it on the wallet. And now we go back. Make sure guys that you are on Ethereum network in this website, and then select a token, paste the address, and import token. And that's very easy. As you can see, now you can transfer your Ethereum into Bond or Bond into Ethereum. So guys, if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up in the comments and subscribe for more videos in the future. See ya!